Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I am super excited because I am bringing you an unboxing of a subscription service that is tailor-made for the Latin American community. And it is this guy right here from Spiritú. Super excited. They're actually sponsoring this video, and I am a huge supporter of Latin American businesses. That was one of my favorite things to do when I was a writer at Vivala, and now that I am on my own, I am happy to continue to do that. So this box right here is seasonal. This is the winter box that I have right here, and for $39.99, this box has over $150 worth of product, and I also have a discount code for you guys. So if you want to get this, just use the code Cindy for 15% off. And I'm going to show you what's inside this one. And even the art on the box was made by a Latina. So I'm going to open it up and stick in here. This is super dope because it helps promote creators and artisans from Latin America. So super cool, but anyone can shop this, and it also has products from brands that we already know and love. So definitely like the best of both worlds when it comes to a subscription box. And this has a couple of pamphlets and some coupons and a note. Really cool. Okay, so first up, oh my god, this is so funny. So this is a fitness band, and this is from a Latina influencer, and her Instagram name is _salty_curls. It comes with a pamphlet, and the fitness band says #GetThatBooty. I definitely needed one of these. We could always use an extra lift, so I'm excited for that. And then when you open up the pamphlet, it has some of the exercises that you can do with it. So definitely need that. Listen, I haven't been to the gym in a hot minute. And then let's see, right here, let's go to a brand that we already know. And this is a hand soap. Okay, let me get some of this tape off. It's really beautifully packaged so that it doesn't spill anywhere. And here it is. It is their Earth Blends Moisturizing Liquid Hand Soap, and the scent is coconut and fig. You also get the bar soap version of that, so whatever you prefer, you have both options here. Next up, I have beauty products, and this particular brand I've never heard of before. It's the Seaweed Bath Company, and this is a Restore and Protect eye treatment. Let's see. It has marine tripeptide. Sounds super fancy, but let's get a quick look at this. Here's what the bottle looks like, and I'm gonna pump some onto the back of my hand. So here it is. You can see it looks white. It doesn't smell like anything, which is good if you have sensitive eyes. No fragrances under that area, and it feels nice and hydrating. Definitely a really important step. Don't skip eye cream, especially if you have dry skin and you use concealer, because if you put concealer over dry skin, that's how you end up looking cakey and crepey. So this is super important. Oh, and that, I wonder if it stays feeling like that. That would be nice. If it has like that little tiny bit of tackiness, then the concealer can really grab on. But that might just absorb away because that cream definitely sank into my skin on the back of my hand. In terms of hydration, I can definitely notice a slight difference. So let's see, the proof will be when I actually use it under my eyes. Next up is a hairspray, and this one is by Tresemme. This is their Micro Mist line, and it's not a super stronghold, and it's supposed to be the kind of finish that doesn't feel crunchy in the hair. It says fast drying, humidity resistant. I wish I would have opened this yesterday because I spent about an hour doing my hair yesterday, and by the time I got to where I was going, my hair was completely like a 70s like style, which I did not create. It was like a 70s curl with massive frizz. And this has a really pretty scent as well. Nice and feminine and flowery. So if you like that, it smells really nice. So, you know, when you like toss your hair and the wind blows, people will get this scent. So yeah, it smells really nice. And I sprayed that onto my hand and it doesn't feel sticky. So looks like it's gonna be a good one. This is a full-size perfume by Michael Kors. It's called Sparkling Blush. Let's open up and see the bottle. I already took the plastic off. And here it is. This is the bottle. How pretty is that? It looks like a crystal. Let's see how it smells. Oh wait, I sprayed the hairspray on that side. Let's spray it on this side. Ooh, this smells really good. I don't know why I'm picking up some grapefruit in this right now. But again, it's that same kind of feminine theme. It's bright, it's a little bit flowery, but then there's like that little bit of powderiness. That's what my nose is picking up anyway. I am not a fragrance connoisseur. I can't like pick apart every note, but there is a pamphlet in here. So let me see what it says. Maybe it has a description of the actual notes. So if you guys know about notes, you can go ahead and make a decision if you're gonna like it or not. But let's see. Okay, it's described as radiant, bright, and sensual. So definitely that brightness that I spoke about earlier. And it says that it's a woody floral amber scent. So if those things ring a bell to you, that is what that smells like. But definitely a good one. And I remember years ago, there was a long time where I couldn't wear any kind of perfume. They would all give me a headache. And then one of the first ones that I ever bought that did not do that to me was by Michael Kors. It was called Island. And I'm sure a lot of you probably wore that at some point in your life. But they came out with so many iterations. So I don't know if we used the same one. But I love that fragrance. And I just remember it just making me feel like super summery. I was born in the summer, so I love things that remind me of the summertime. But yeah, man, like that was one of my first fragrances ever. I used it all up and it did not give me a headache. That was a major key. But over the years, I don't know if my senses developed, something developed where that doesn't happen as much anymore. And I'm really able to wear perfume. But this is really, really pretty. Here we have a lipstick, a mini lipstick, super cute. This one is a Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Color. And the color is Red Velvet. So let's take a look here. Ooh, cute. It's gold packaging. Love that. And let's see what this red is looking like. I love a red lip. Today I'm doing, you know, I'm doing a nude because I did something extra on the lid. But let's see. This red is like giving me a little bit of a vampy vibe. Really nice and rich. Perfect for the fall and winter. I think this is going to be a really good universal color. It's like on the blue base side. So I think this is going to make your teeth look hella white, which we love. This is a bracelet that is from Colombia. This is a macrame bracelet. And it says that it's also known as manillas. And this is coming from Medellin. So a little piece of Colombia with you. And I love the designs here. And because I already peeked at the pamphlet, depending on your box, you'll get a different one. So there are different designs. So I'll take this one out and show it to you. I love the bright colors, definitely perfect for a vacation. You can stack different types of bracelets like this, but how cute is this? It's December and this is the winter box, but I'm ready to go to Colombia. It's actually on my bucket list. I would love to go there. And actually I had a friend text me like, where are we going next? I'm about to tell her that we're going to Colombia. Okay. This I really needed. So this is a pop socket and I have my phone case with the pop socket broke and now I'm just walking around with a plain phone case, and these things definitely make a difference. It definitely elevates your phone experience. And this one is really cute. It's like peach and navy blue stripes, and then it has the Spiritú logo on it, but it's very subtle, which I really like. So I am definitely gonna put this on my phone case. I'm gonna need that for sure. That is everything that was in the box. If I had to choose like my top picks, I would say that I definitely love the fragrance. It gives me like throwback, nostalgia, just everything. So definitely love that. And the pop socket, for sure, I needed one in my life, and I'm about to put it on one of my phone cases right after this. And the bracelet, which I wish I had more of so I could stack them, but super cute. They do have an online shop as well, so I'm gonna check it out and see if they have more of these in stock. And that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to visit the website if you want to sign up. With the code Cindy, you'll get 15% off, and you'll be helping the Latin American community while you're at it. So definitely a win-win-win. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.